company the major color because they have promoted themselves to death. Everybody knows, unang tingin pa lang, at first look, what is the major color of this website? This, yes? I have a question for you guys. If the major color of this website is, as you said, red, why is the website not colored red? How about Tesla? The major color is metallic silver, gray, blue. The website is definitely main color, that's the same color. But in the case of Coca-Cola, their main color really is red, but they are not using it in the entire website. It's called, everybody say, common sense, because if you put your entire website in red, it will be too bloody. It's going to be ugly to see. We agree with Kat. Kat said, because they want to highlight the color red. That's it. See? Because red is a highlight color. That's the first wisdom there. And in the case of Tesla, can you guess? The accent color. The accent color is not the main color. You only see it just a little bit, but it does draw your attention. What is the accent color? Accent. Draw your attention. Congratulations, Kat. Maybe Kat is a brand person. It's the blue. You see this bright blue? That's the accent color. Dark blue. Neil took the hexadecimal. You have essentially a metallic gray thing happening, and the person is wearing white. It's not to steal main color. He's not wearing blue jeans here. It's not to steal the fact that the demo drive button is in the accent color. Remember these words because we're going to use this in System A later. Accent colors are for buttons. If you have a notebook, go ahead, write it down. And main color is for the rest of the page. There is a color you don't have to decide on, but everybody does. And both Tesla and Coke has it. It's called the background. You see this one? What is that color? The background color. Almost everybody uses the same background color. There it is. But if you look at carefully, the Coca-Cola, they don't, not really. White. Let me show you what's white. That's white up there. But Coca-Cola is using a background color of a what? There it is. The next kind of brand color you need to be busy with is to determine what kind of white are you going to use at the back of your website. Most of us will use plain old white. These big companies, they use sort of white, dirty white. That's how they use it. Let's check Tesla. Are they using pure white? Yes, they're using pure white. But look at this. They decided we're also going to use the strange, not white color. What is this? A mix of what? Mix of red, really faint red, maybe almost pink, and white. That's their whites. Try to remember, there's another color for brand, which is called the background color, which is sort of white, dirty white, used in the back, obviously. There is a color that everybody can see that does not make a decision. You think people don't make a decision. The color of text. What's the color of the text? The correct answer is, we think it is black. That's the correct answer because it's probably not black. These big companies, it looks like black, but maybe no. Maybe look at the word limited here. That ain't black. That's a gray or something. That's a gray. And this is a black. You also need to make a decision. What kind of black are you going to use for the text? What kind of gray are you use for not so bright text? You have 4 colors, right? But the main color, the accent color, you have the background color, dirty white, and you have text color, which is black. And with that, you now know some of the basics in branding. Question, do you have those colors? Have you decided on those?